Tired of weak water pressure and lackluster showers? This shower head is designed to build up pressure in your shower, delivering a powerful stream without using more water. Made from durable LEXAN, it fits any standard US shower head, making it an easy upgrade for your bathroom. What sets this shower head apart is its smart design. It features a 360-degree rotation and a stainless steel filter that prevents clogging, ensuring a consistent, invigorating flow every time you turn it on. You get a strong, refreshing shower experience without sacrificing water efficiency. This compact shower head packs a punch despite its small size. It saves water while providing a satisfying, high-pressure shower. That means you enjoy the feeling of a luxury shower while lowering your water usage, a win-win for your comfort and your utility bills. Perfect for travelers, this shower head is easy to install and remove by hand. Take it with you to improve hotel or motel showers instantly. It's lightweight, reliable, and comes with simple instructions, so you can enjoy your best shower no matter where you are. Users from across the United States have praised this product for its durability and performance. One customer shared how their mother brought 3 of these shower heads home from Italy 20 years ago. They've since replaced expensive, leaky models with these reliable, corrosion-free heads, especially great for beach properties. This shower head doesn't just boost pressure, it also prevents leaks and dribbling common in many pricier models. Customers love the balance of power and water savings, making it a practical choice for anyone looking to upgrade their shower without breaking the bank. If you want a simple, effective way to enhance your shower, this water-saving shower head is worth a look. It's a straightforward solution that delivers real results: better pressure, less water, and no-fuss installation. Try it when you're ready to transform your daily routine. Whether at home or on the road, this shower head offers a refreshing upgrade that's easy to install, reliable, and built to last. Experience the difference for yourself and enjoy a stronger, more efficient shower every day.